following county: Somerset County, New Jersey. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for northwestern Somerset County until 1:45 a.m. At 7:50 p.m., minor flooding was occurring along the Lamington River in northwestern Somerset County. The river level should rise slowly before cresting this evening, with the river returning within its banks overnight. This flood warning means that minor flooding has been reported. Stream rises will be slow. Never drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Flood waters are usually deeper than they appear. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown.
Here is the tithed information.